Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it comes to us from Pitaka. This is the MagEZ Case 3 for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright guys, so here we have the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. I will have a link down below if you guys want to pick it up. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It actually runs through MagSafe compatible, wireless charging friendly, aramid fiber, 0.95 millimeters of thickness, and the weight is approximately 0.71 ounces, 20.3 grams. Pitaka Care. We care for our planet. So I actually watched a video about this packaging here. So it's actually reusable. So you guys can actually use this repackaging. So that's pretty cool though. So shout out to Pitaka for actually doing that. So let's pop this baby out. Looks like we have a little sticker here. Just gotta pop it out like so. Like I was saying earlier, you can actually reuse this. It says Pitaka Care, we care for our planet. This package is made of 100% biodegradable. So you can't really see it on camera there, but it's biodegradable. But here's the case itself. Really classic form when it comes to Pitaka. Really has that nice look to it. So let's see what this says here. Remove from left side of the phone. So it's actually telling you how to remove the case. And on the inside, you have a little, looks like stickers. It says use the sticker to improve the fit of the case if it doesn't fit quite well due to slightly different manufacturing tolerances of the phone. So you guys can pause that and read for yourself. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's different. And what was on the inside of this? So Pitaka's always has that good packaging, and it looks like you have a whole bunch of accessories. So I do actually have a couple of these accessories that I should be making videos on. So subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see those accessories and see how it works with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Alright, so here's the case itself. Pretty thin. Really nice. So if you just want that slick look, you don't really want protection, but you really just want a cool look to it. Nothing too crazy. You do have that logo for Pitaka right over there. Inside it says Pitaka as well. Very simple case. Not really much protection, but it will look good on your device here. So this is what it looks like. Very close to the camera. Very close. But it feels really nice on the back. Nice and smooth. And you have the exposed sides for your buttons and for your speakers. So the cutouts look really good. You guys let me know what you guys think. Really nice. And for the front, this is what it looks like for the front. Right, not really much protection when it comes to the lip around here. Maybe just a tad, as you can see from there, just a tad, nothing too much. But if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Really nice material, really liking it. This is more for going out or maybe a business trip where you don't want a clunky case, like a case like this, which is super clunky. This really doesn't add no type of extra thickness when it comes to the device. So really nice looking case. Big shout out to Pitaka. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Pitaka cases and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.